What is the reason for PSAH high? If something
Then
closes,
yeah,
this ESG closes.
no, this is BDP. Go to the next page again. It will be when
We'll go for high pressure. We'll go high
go
pressure.
to the high pressure.
ECV
Yeah.
309 over
Yes.
pressure in the first day, right? This one, right?
Yes. When this is on demand and it is not opening, then you will have high pressure.
Yes, true. So this is the 30903 malfunction. This is full open. This is the full close.
Close, yeah.
So potential high pressure. I will copy here. Consequence of inaction. See, consequence of inaction of operator is not LOPC. It is tripping, right? This is trip. This is already trip.
Yeah, this trip. This is already trip.
Yeah. Then we are okay. So we'll make this one. We'll make this one. We'll make this one. Robin, now you are able to see screen? Robin? Yeah. Okay. So corrective action, what we want? We want operator to investigate and see, investigate the high pressure in the first separator and take action to prevent overpressurization. So now it is a trip. So trip is more than 30 minutes in manual, right?
Yeah.
And this is the ESD function. And we will go for the same because low because of the production loss, because it's tripping now, so we'll go for low. Now here, the consequence of likelihood of operator not taking action. Here I would say that likelihood of operator not taking action
Should be
would
low.
be the same thing.
Because operator should take action anyway.
Yeah. I will say, for example, if operator is supposed to investigate, so I think it is already trip, so he will take action. So
yes,
the likelihood is A.
Likelihood of not doing it is low. Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say not urgent. And not urgent, this is a P3 and HMA.